You're welcome back, my lovely people. This is a recent video of the road construction work going on along Abia Tower-Onuimo Road, and I made this video yesterday, being the 5th day of June 2025. And I must say this here and now that filming along this road is becoming more challenging because of the several security checkpoints all of a sudden along this road. Before now, I think I used to count about 2, but now I was able to count about 3 or 4, I think. Yeah, and that affects or has a way of affecting my filming, but that's fine. I wouldn't stop. I'll keep updating you all, okay, as much as I can. So back to the video. I want to first commend the workers that walk along this road. You guys are amazing. I don't know how you are coping in this raining season, but just know that you guys are doing well. So observation made, I realized that these workers are actually in sections. You have the ones digging the drainages, you have the ones constructing the drainages. I also noticed a part of the road has stone base already on it. I mean, work is going on seriously along the road. In fact, a lot is going on at the same time along this road. As you can see, you have the ones who are also leveling the road, and yeah, so just keep on watching so you see the extent of work done along this road. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more updates, and share this video as much as you can. Thank you so much.